Happy 2017 to you. We're starting a new year and I wanted to ask you, when was the last time that you asked yourself the question, what do I really want? Is it a beautiful house? Is it a pink car? Or is it your own private jet? What is it that you want and what is it that makes you happy? Now I know most of us don't have the answer to that question, and the few that do have the answer to that question, congratulations, you are part of the tiny 2% of people who have clear goals and ambitions for themselves. The rest of us, I think we are all so consumed by our daily life that we just don't have the time to answer this very important question. Now, why is it important to have clear goals and ambitions in life? Have you ever gone to an airport or to a railway station or to a bus station with your bags packed and everything ready and just not knowing where you're headed and where you want to go? Have you ever reached there and thought, should I take a ticket to Delhi or Dehradun, or should I go to Chennai, or should I go somewhere outside of the country? No, right? We never go to an airport without a destination in mind. So the same with life. Or consider this, have you ever gone to a beach, sat in a little beautiful raft or a beautiful tube and just let the waves take over? It sounds pleasant for a while, but sometimes if you let that happen too long and if you let the waves drift for as long as possible, when you open your eyes, you are far away from your destination and where you actually wanted to be. And sometimes it's too late to then turn back and go towards the destination that you had in mind. And we don't want that, do we? They say that clarity about your dreams is the single most important step towards your success, and 98% of us fail to do just that, and that is the number one reason behind failure. So I hope I've convinced you enough to decide to set your goals and ambitions straight, and if I have, then let's go ahead and see how we can go ahead and make that entire process easy. So number one thing is to dream as big and as crazy as possible. Dream like a child who knows no limitations, and don't let your brain tell you, have you gone crazy? That's never going to happen. Be a little more realistic. Number two is to break this big dream down into small little chunks which are more realistic, more achievable. And that is because once we start seeing a few victories in our life, then we start to gain momentum and we start to put in a lot more effort towards achieving this goal. Now, number three is to attach a very strong reason behind each one of these dreams, because without a reason, we are unlikely to be able to pursue and to stay consistent with putting effort towards those dreams. So for example, if you want to lose weight and you just want to lose weight for no reason at all, you're just saying, okay, if I lose weight, that will be great. If I don't lose, that's fine. There's no concrete reason behind it. And if there isn't, then you're unlikely to be able to put in those torturous hours at the gym. However, if there is a vision, a clear goal, and a very strong reason behind that particular goal, then you are very passionate about achieving it. So that reason could be maybe looking absolutely picture perfect at your wedding, in that wedding dress that you have in your mind. So that vision could be so compelling that it helps you put in those extra hours at the gym, and saying no to sugar and all those things that were otherwise difficult become easier because you have a very strong reason behind that goal. After that, the next thing to do is to write those goals down. I know it's an extra step and it's a very painful step for most of us, and I'll be very honest, in all these years I have never written down my goals and made them clear, but that is something that is very important, and this year I'm going to try and do it. So why is writing important? When we think about our goals, we are utilizing one part of our brain. When we write them down, we are utilizing another part of our brain, and when we can use both the sides of our brain and target both towards one goal, then magic seems to happen and our brain seems to be able to find ways and opportunities to get to our goal much faster. So they say that just by writing your goals down, you make it 42% more likely that you will reach your goal and you will be successful. So I think it's definitely worth a try. I am writing them down, you do it too. So the next last bit is the most fun and most enjoyable part, and that is creating a vision board. And creating a vision board is important because we tend to think in pictures and feelings and not in text, so to say. So when I say I want a beautiful pink car, I don't really spell it out. In my head, I'm not thinking PINKCAR. I am thinking this is what my mind is seeing, right? So we see in pictures, which is why it is very important and a very nice thing to do, to have a vision of your dreams always in front of you, and that is what a vision board is. So cut out pictures from magazines and newspapers, cut out those pictures of beautiful bodies and beautiful clothes and beautiful jobs and whatever it is that you want in your life. Make them clear and put them up somewhere where you can see them every day. Now this is not magic. You're not going to cut out an image and put it in a temple and then go to the temple 2 years later and see everything has turned to reality. It doesn't work like that. You need to keep it in front of you all the time so that the mind can focus on those and find opportunities for you to get there. I wish you a lot of success in the coming year and the years to come. Lots of love. Happy 2017.